Hello guys, today video we are going to see another AI tool and let's get started from the intro. In this video we will see about the Z.ai. Basically Z.ai is a cutting edge AI platform that changing the way we interact with the technology. From coding to reasoning and creative content, Z.ai tools are designed for developers, business and AI enthusiasts alike. Let's dive in. So first of all about ZI, let's talk about ZI. ZI, formerly known as Jipu AI, is a leading Chinese AI company founded in 2019. They specialize in large language models, visual reasoning models, and the AI agents. ZAI has quickly become one of the China AI tiger companies and is recognized globally for innovations and their missions to develop AI that can useful, intelligent, and accessible. In 2023, ZI introduced GLM 3.0, and in 2024, Z.ai introduced a text to video model like Auto GLM, and in 2025 they are just releasing the series of the GLM like 4.5 series, etc. So let's talk about the key models and the roles related to the ZAI. So let's look at ZAI key AI models. First of all, we have this one reasoning model GLM 4.6. Their latest reasoning model with a massive 200K context window, great for coding, problem solving, and complex tasks. Uh, Also, the lightweight and free version delivering strong performance at low cost. So basically, we will see the demo to using this model, like how it can bring the results and changing inside this one. And also, there are some other model like GLM 4.5 here, GLM 4.5 Flash, and GLM 4.5V. If we talk about GLM 4.5 here and if we talk about GLM Flash, these are also a lightweight and free versions delivering strong performance at very low cost. If we talk about GLM 4.5, the visual reasoning model perfect for interpreting images and combination beyond with text. These are the perfect model. Let's talk about how we can use the Z.ai. First of all, you just need to go Z.ai and just need to create your account as I did, and you will land on the screen, right? So here you can see a multiple option, uh, like AI slide. You can create full stack development, magic design, deep research, or write code. You can do everything. The most interesting part related to the Z.ai is about it's totally free. Like you can use any of the models, and it will provide you the best result as compared to the other uh, like uh, paid version models. So you can try, you can give a try to this model. If let me show about this one chat because it takes some time to load and reasoning. That's why I cannot show you in this video, because the video will become long. That's why I'm just showing this part. Like I have the requirement to creating the web RTC software in fast API. I just provide my requirements and it's starting creating all the things like back and front end requirement, as well as it's showing like the preview how it's look like and how it will work, right? So this is the power of ZI and how we can basically use this ZI. If we talk about like the benefit of ZI, basically it's a very efficient and accessibilities, automate the coding, content creation, and translation. And if we talk about accessibility, that's the powerful free tool like GLM 4.5 Flash make AI available to everyone, so we can use uh, like a free tool very easily. Also, the like advanced AI, like state of the art model with massive context window for deep reasoning. Also, visual reasoning and video generation to enhance creative workflow. So these are the benefits of using the Z AI. And if we talk about like the real world use case, then ZI Z.ai is already helping developers, content creator, and businesses worldwide. Like developer can use GLM 4.6 for coding, as we've seen, like debugging or projects completing, as well as content creator use a slider, poster agents, and video templates agents to produce a visual quickly. And if we talk about related to the businesses, business can leverage translation agent for global communication and auto GLM for task automation. So these are the like use case of the real world use case, we can say Z.ai. So it's a really cool, and you can just test this model if you are a developer, or if you have any business, or if you are a content creator. Then it is really cool tool. And the best part of this tool, it is not paid like to the other LLM models. So they are doing a very good working. So you can check it out and pin inside the comment like how you find this tool, how much it is helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.